In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a responsive table in WordPress. Later, I will also show you how you can easily create tables by just uploading a file. In this example, we will be using the Flexibles Responsive Tables WordPress plugin. I've linked it in the description where you can download it. To start, let's create a new table. Add the table name. In this example, I'm going to customize the table design, so I'm going to leave the theme as custom. If you want to inherit your theme styling, you need to select the theme default option. Now, before we change the table styling, let's head over to the Table Structure tab and add our table data. For the header, I will create 4 columns. Then, let's add the text. You can also add a link to each text using the icons beside it. Next, let's add rows. In this example, I will add 5 rows. As you'll notice, there are 4 columns in each row, matching the number of our headers. Let's add the data. Cell 1 corresponds to the first header, which is breed. Cell 2 corresponds to size, and so on. Once we save the table, it will show a preview at the bottom of the screen. Before we head over to the design, let's add links to some of these cells. Now, on the Design tab, I'd like to change the header background color. On the row styling, let's change the even row background. Let's also change the row link color. Under typography, I'd like the font size to be large. For spacing and layout, change the cell padding to spacious. Set table width to full width. Leave the mobile responsive mode set to stacked. Under border styling, let's change the shadow depth to soft shadow. Let's save the changes. Let's change the even row background to a lighter blue. Once done, we can copy the shortcode for this table and add it anywhere on our site. Let's create a new page and add this shortcode. Let's preview it. That's it. Now, how about we create a table just by using an image or screenshot? The good thing is that this plugin generates table data for us. To start, let's export one of the tables we created. This will give us a JSON file containing our table data. Open it and copy the content. Next, using Google Gemini, let's ask it to generate a JSON format like the one we just copied, using data from an image screenshot. It should give us the JSON format. Let's copy and paste it into the same file we downloaded earlier. Now, on the Flexibles plugin dashboard, go to the Tools tab and import the JSON file. Finally, we've successfully imported our new table. Thank you for watching.